morning. So we've had our lovely neighborhood daughter waking us up since 8 a.m. this morning, probably. And it's now like 11:30. And Juma at this Turkish mosque is at 12:45. So we don't have much time because it takes an hour to get there.
So we're doing a little bit of a double transfer here to get to the mosque, heading onto the Chiba line now because vending machine has just been opened. Welcome to Harajuku. So we've settled in Double Tail Cafe, but basically we're gonna go to an art museum later after this. Only probably gonna stay here for like two hours. Harajuku is packed as always. There's an endless stream of people, especially around this time. It's about 4 p.m. now. I don't know what we're doing. We still have some time to kill before maybe going to the art museum. This is the Z-Flip.
They're like huge.
So we've arrived at Takeshita Street.
Takeshita.
Yeah, we're gonna get harassed by the individuals in there.
This is the crepe shop, the very famous Harajuku crepe shop.
I'm your fetus.
Because we got the we didn't get the really big one.
So we're just walking through now. Probably gonna head over to the art museum after this. It looks like they no longer exist around here. They even have people saying do not follow them, but I can't see them, at least yet.
Should I get you kata?
So they still exist, but there's just a lot of people telling you not to go to them. There's also this kebab place now in the middle.
Harajuku kebab.
Harajuku kebab. That does look kind of crazy. So what is this you have purchased?
It is in Chinese it's called tang lang, maybe something like that. But basically it's just like a toffee that they wrap around whatever fruit. Here's it's got strawberries. I got the one with the muscat grapes as well. So. Oh wow.
So a lot of different sections in the museum close at 6 o'clock, which is fine. So it's an art center, but there's still two things open. One's free and one costs money. Interesting. It's kind of cool.
So butchered.
Anyways, we're walking to Wagyu Hanga. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to meet Matlong and Amang Dali and stuff, and his family there. Yeah, they're leaving tomorrow. So, the Wagyu Panga we went to was fully booked, but they were able to book another one close by, so now we've reached Asakusa.
It's not my fault, better.
Such a nice view.
This is a date night. Double date, you should say. With my uncle, auntie, well really they're cousins. Alright.
So we have sat down at the Ponga Wagyu restaurant.
Have our double date as well.
Yeah. Being a family, yeah.
Big man, the big man. So this is the first time I've seen that they cook your meat and then they bring it to the kitchen to cut it. So definitely new concept. So this is the garlic fried rice.
I'll take a bite in front of the camera.
Irene.
The sirloin steak, okay? Yaki skin, you wanna cook or it, okay? After the cook.
in the video. This is
Finland's like A5 Wagyu.
ribeye. Anyways, with some truffle sauce. Oh, eat it. We gotta eat it now. Quickly, we don't want to search.
Okay, okay. What was that?
It was good. Pepper. Alright.
Yeah.
This is going in my mouth. It's a bit weird to have wasabi in it, I will say.
Sorry, but
Can I put this I'm an excellent chef.
ribeye. Not bad.
The me or the chef?
The chef.
Well, you want to go to an arcade again?
No.
Okay.
No.
Smoking, huh?
She like you like.
You like arcade?
Do you guys like
Yeah.
Do you like guys playing games in the arcade?